Hey, amazing teachers! You know that last minute of class when everyone suddenly becomes a professional backpack wrestler? Let's turn that chaos into something wholesome and linguistically sneaky, a compliment chain in the target language. One student compliments another, short, sweet, and simple. Think, you worked really well today, or you concentrated very hard. Pick the first student yourself so you can control the vibe. We don't need Kyle complimenting the ceiling again. It's fast, it's positive, and it quietly reinforces real, authentic communication. Here's a concrete strategy for tomorrow. Give students a sentence frame on the board like, I appreciate blank because of blank. Put it in the target language, of course. Model 2 or 3 examples. Bonus points if you make them funny. Yo aprecio a Diego porque lo lanzó ningún lápiz hoy. I appreciate Diego because he didn't throw any pencils today. Or ich mag Sarah, weil sie meine Stifte nicht geklaut hat. Then let the chain roll. Each student picks the next student to compliment, and they keep going until everyone has had a turn, or until the bell rings and you pretend that the plan was all along. For an even quicker win, pair the compliment chain with a visual support slide. Put 6 to 8 compliment starters on the projector. You helped, you tried, you improved, you didn't set anything on fire today. Students glance, choose, and speak confidently in the target language. The mood in the room lifts up, and the language flows naturally, and you end class like a calm, organized adult instead of a frazzled raccoon. And if you want hundreds of ready-made slides, prompts, and story images to pair with this routine, grab the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. It's basically built for moments like this. Happy comprehensible input.